Hi, welcome back to MeshCommander. In this video, I'll show you how to execute a command remotely. So what we want to do first is double click on, go into your MeshCommander folder, in config, double click on that, and then if you open up custom commands, okay, you'll notice there's already one there as an example. So we run in Linux on this machine, but same applies to the example directly above for Windows. Is exactly the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this line, paste it at the end. I'm going to change the string which it'll action on. So if I type in hash and then start, now let's try and have an example by starting Firefox browser. So start Firefox. Now this can be obviously anything here, this string. And let's get rid of the example above, and then let's just type in the command Firefox. Okay, so if you broadcast either on Longfast or directly to the node which runs Meshtastic, MeshCommander. So send this over Longfast, for example, and then the command it'll execute is Firefox. It can be anything. You can actually specify a script to run, which could have multiple programs run from that, and that's kind of it. So we'll just save this now, close that down, or just move it to one side. Actually, just keep it here, close that down, and let's start up MeshCommander. Okay, that's running. So on my phone, obviously you won't be able to see this, I'll just type in a command hash and then start Firefox. Okay, now I recognize that match and I started up Firefox. As simple as that. And close that down. I'll try it again just to show you. So hash start Firefox. There we are. Took a little bit of time. I think it's probably because they've got so many nodes running at the moment. So it's probably bouncing around. And that's it. Simple as that. So I'll close that down. So yeah, you can execute any command which is specified in custom_commands.txt. And that's it. Simple as that. Okay. The one thing which you will have to do, any alterations or any changes added to custom_commands.txt, you will have to close down MeshCommander first, and then make the changes, update, run it again, and that's it. Well, thank you and enjoy. Ta-da.